In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a WebEx meeting. Whether you're organizing a quick team huddle or a larger virtual conference, WebEx makes it simple and efficient to set up a meeting. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to webex.com. The website is your central hub for accessing all of WebEx's features, so make sure you're on the right platform before proceeding. Once you're on the home page, look out for the login button if you already have an account, or sign up if you're new to WebEx. Having an account is essential as it allows you to manage and schedule meetings with ease. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a menu with various options. Click on Meetings. This is where you can view your scheduled meetings, join meetings, and most importantly, set up a new meeting. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section since it's where all the action happens. Now, you're ready to create your meeting. Look for the Start a Meeting button. Clicking this will open up a new window where you can configure your meeting settings. Here, you can name your meeting, choose the date and time, and set the duration. Make sure to pick a time that suits all your participants. If you have a list of attendees, you can add their email addresses here to send them an invite. This ensures everyone gets notified and knows when and how to join the meeting. As you set up your meeting, you may also want to explore additional settings. WebEx offers a variety of options that can enhance your meeting experience. For instance, you can set up a password for your meeting to ensure only invited participants can join. Additionally, you have the option to enable or disable video for participants, mute attendees upon entry, and more. These settings can help you tailor the meeting environment to best fit your needs. Once you're satisfied with your settings, go ahead and save your meeting. WebEx will confirm the details, and from there, you can send out the invites if you haven't already. It's always a good idea to double-check the meeting information and ensure everything is in order. After all, a smooth setup leads to a smooth meeting. And there you have it. You've successfully created a WebEx meeting. From here, you can manage your meeting from the WebEx dashboard, join it when the time comes, and even record it if necessary for those who couldn't attend. This process ensures that you're prepared and organized, allowing you to focus on the content of your meeting rather than the logistics. This quick guide has shown you how to create a WebEx meeting. With just a few steps, you can efficiently set up virtual gatherings that keep you connected with your team, clients, or anyone else you need to meet with. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to check out our other videos for more tech tips and tricks. Happy meeting!